From momentum to AI-powered support and resistance, today we're ranking 6 TradingView indicators for different trading scenarios. Each tool serves a unique purpose. Let's dive in. The Momentum Bias Index by Algo Alpha is a technical indicator that measures price momentum and bias to identify potential market turning points. It calculates momentum by comparing current price to a historical price point, then normalizes this value using the average range. The indicator separates upward and downward momentum, creating bias values that are smoothed and displayed as colored columns. This creates separate upward and downward momentum components that can be compared to detect potential trend changes. When these components cross specific thresholds, based on standard deviation multipliers, the indicator generates TP, turning point signals. The Momentum Bias Index demonstrates solid technical design with its normalization approach and dual momentum tracking. It provides clear visual cues for bias shifts while offering reasonable customization options. However, its multiple parameters create optimization challenges, and the smoothing process introduces potential lag in fast-moving markets. Best suited for intermediate to advanced traders who appreciate comprehensive momentum analysis with visual representation. The Market Sentiment Technicals Indicator created by LuxAlgo is a technical analysis tool designed to gauge market sentiment through multiple indicators. It combines oscillators, RSI, stochastic RSI, CCI, and bull-bear power, with trend indicators, moving averages, VWAP, Bollinger Bands, supertrend, linear regression, and market structure, to provide a holistic view of market conditions. The indicator creates a visual panel displaying the normalized values of these technical indicators, with color gradients from bearish, red, to bullish, blue. It includes a market sentiment meter showing the overall market bias as a gauge, and a market sentiment oscillator that tracks sentiment changes over time. The tool allows users to customize timeframes, colors, and parameters for individual indicators, making it adaptable to different trading styles and market conditions. While it provides valuable insight by combining multiple indicators into a unified sentiment reading, its complexity may require a learning curve. The indicator is most effective for intermediate to advanced traders who can properly interpret the various signals and understand the limitations of the underlying technical indicators. The Volatility Stop Indicator by TradingView creates a dynamic stop-loss level based on price volatility. It calculates a stop value using average true range to maintain a buffer that adapts to market conditions. The indicator identifies trend direction by comparing price to the stop level. When price crosses the stop level, the trend direction changes and the indicator resets its tracking points. This creates a trailing stop that widens during volatile periods and tightens during calmer markets. The implementation includes customization options for ATR length, multiplier factor, visual styles, and various alerting conditions that can incorporate time-based confirmation delays. The indicator's strength lies in providing dynamic support resistance levels that respond to market volatility rather than static values. Though parameter optimization requires testing and the indicator may struggle in sideways markets, its robust functionality and thoughtful implementation make it a valuable tool for managing trailing stops and identifying trend changes. The Candlestick Trend Indicator by Just Uncle L combines multiple technical analysis methods into a comprehensive trend-following system. At its foundation, the indicator identifies trend direction using a customizable moving average. The indicator's core functionality revolves around recognizing and highlighting specific candlestick patterns that support the current trend. These include bullish and bearish pin bars, dark cloud cover, piecing line, harami patterns, engulfing patterns, and fractal support resistance breaks. Additionally, it incorporates Chris Moody's price action bars, inside bars, outside bars, shaved bars, and reversal pin bars. When a pattern aligns with the established trend direction, as determined by the moving average and optionally filtered by MACD, the candle is highlighted with red, bearish, or green, bullish color. The system also plots fractal levels to identify key support and resistance points, with breaks of these levels considered strong trend confirmation signals. Its strength lies in combining traditional candlestick pattern recognition with trend confirmation tools and fractal support resistance levels. While the comprehensive approach provides robust signal validation, the indicator suffers from visual clutter and configuration complexity, most suitable for intermediate to advanced traders who can properly interpret the multiple overlapping signals and have the patience to optimize the numerous parameters for their specific trading style and time frame. The Volume Order Book Indicator by Zierman creates a visual representation of trading volume at different price levels. It builds boxes whose width corresponds to the volume traded at each price level, helping traders identify key support and resistance zones. Red for levels below current price and green for levels above. The width of each box represents the volume intensity at that particular price level. When enabled, the Point of Control (POC) feature extends the level with the highest volume across the chart. Its ability to highlight areas of high trading activity helps identify potential price reversal zones or breakout confirmation. While powerful, it requires some experience to interpret effectively and may need parameter adjustments based on the specific market being analyzed. The Support and Resistance AI Indicator by ThinkLogic AI applies machine learning techniques to identify significant price levels by grouping historical price data into clusters. This technical tool uses either k-means or k-median algorithms to organize price data into 3 to 5 distinct clusters, displaying each cluster as a horizontal line with optional standard deviation bands. The indicator analyzes closing prices from a user-defined look-back period, then categorizes prices into clusters based on similarity. Each horizontal line represents the center of a cluster where price has frequently traded, with semi-transparent bands showing the statistical dispersion around each cluster. A table displays the percentage density of each cluster, indicating where price has spent the most time. The K-clustering indicator stands out for its objective approach to identifying significant price levels. Its ability to detect natural price clusters provides valuable insights about where price may find support or resistance. The configurable cluster count and method options allow traders to tune the analysis to specific market conditions, while the visual representation of cluster density offers a quick understanding of price distribution patterns. We have recently introduced the complete QR Pro BST ecosystem. 1 workflow, 3 tools. Backtest your settings, scan for opportunities, and trade with confidence. Link in the description if you want to see how it works.